Hey, what's going on, guys? So I have a 2011 Ducati Monster 696 and I just want to make a quick video about the top 3 things that I hate about it. So let's get into it.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.
Alright, so the first thing I hate is that I have no idea how much gas I ever have left. All I have is this little light right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, right? Let me start it up again. Right, that's the gas light. And all I know is that when that light comes on, I have at most 5 miles before I run out of gas. So that's definitely bothersome. And the only other indicator I get is right here. It'll say trip fuel, and it counts to 5 or like sometimes like 6 miles if I'm lucky. And after it gets there, it's like, okay, you're out of gas. So I better find that gas station. So the second thing I don't like about my bike is that I have no idea what gear I'm in, right? Like, I wish it told me somewhere in the cluster, hey, you're in first, second, third, fifth, sixth, whatever, right? I would just like to know at some point, but you don't. But you can figure it out based on how fast you're going in the RPM, so, you know, good luck. So the third thing I don't like about my bike is that it gets really hot. So it's air cooled, not liquid cooled, and so essentially it stays cool as long as you're moving. So if you're in stop and go traffic, right, if you're under the sun, it's hot and you just want to get off of it. And so here are 4 temperature bars. It goes up to 6. 4 is okay, it's manageable, but 5 you really want to get off, and 6 it's just you're sitting in hell. And so the way to get around that, right, I was told 2 things. Sorry, it's the most Italian thing I ever heard. It was either ride faster or put on leather. So anyways, right, those are the top 3 things I don't like about my bike. If you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, bro, and I'll see you in the next one.